spending for logistic and transportation. If you look at, even though Indonesia is a maritime, archipelagic countries, islands countries, but mainly it spends for road transportation, 52%. So it is very inefficient and subsidized as well as. And then meanwhile, maritime is just only around 6%. So you can see the imbalance between the road transportation and maritime transportation. So Indonesia needs to do something about it. We have opportunity, of course, to tap ASEAN+3 and ASEAN+6, yeah? But there is a requirements there. Key success for Indonesia depend on regional economic growth, whether we can be connected as one of the production base, not just only as a market base. So we see that we spend 52% of our GDP in domestic. So our domestic is like China. The next 20 years, China, 10 years, they will see themselves how to feed their people, how to have a consumption inside the country. That's happened now in our country. So depend whether we can tap the network for connectivity, not just as a market base, but also as production base. The second one, there is also need to improve logistic service providers, especially collaboration between international service providers and the local service providers, and also domestic needs. Okay, here are some of our latest master plan. We have a lot of master plan, very good in planning. Very good in planning. So in 2011, we have acceleration and expansion of economic development. So basically, this is copying the consultant, actually World Bank and UNDP, yeah, copying from Mekong Economic Corridor in 2001. So 10 years later, we developed this. Before we finish, we understand this master plan, we're coming out again with national logistic systems in 2012.